So I know this doesn't look like much, but this is a charge controller that we built for our wind turbine. Now the idea behind this is that as the wind turbine generates electricity, as the voltage increases, if you exceed, say, 13 volts, you can actually damage the 12-volt battery that you would be charging. So this is basically to limit the voltage that would be going to the battery being charged. So what you're looking at here is volts and amps. This is just a power supply that's representing the wind turbine. Right here we've got a board that's got all the logic. Then we've got two test lights here. This one is simulating the battery that would be being charged, and this one is a dummy load. Basically, if your voltage exceeded 13 volts or whatever your set point is, then this system would switch the power to go to basically a big resistor. In a normal setting, this could be, say, a hot water heater or something else, but basically some other load so that it won't destroy your batteries that you're trying to charge. So you can see voltage is climbing now, and we're at about 4 volts, and I don't know if you can see, but there is a little bit of a light going on in the test light that represents the battery. There, now it's getting brighter at 5 volts. This little LED here shows us that we are charging the battery, and again, this test light represents the battery. So then we're climbing, and we're giving more current to the test light that's representing our battery. And as we get up to 13 volts, it switches to the other test light. This test light has gone out. It's just this one now. And this shows that we are now just dumping power to another resistor. And that will stay on as high as the voltage goes. And then as the voltage comes back down, so it will switch back to where it's charging the battery once it's in a safe zone for the battery to be charging. Now the purpose of this is if you were to have some high wind gusts and your wind turbine were to over rev, this will keep it from damaging the system. Thanks.